Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to capture a still image from your video in Davinci Resolve 18. First of all, open the Davinci app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, open a recent project or just create a new one. Now your editing timeline will be displayed and you just need to place the target video on it. After that, go to the Color tab located at the bottom and the color grading section will open up. Inside it, navigate to the frame you want as a still image and rest the header there. Once done, right-click on the video, select Grab Still, and it will start displaying in the Gallery tab. Now, right-click on it, select Export, and then save the still image to the preferred location. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.